If you understand the kind of money I have, I swear, you will shut down the entrance of this village. This is 11 million hard currency in this bag. Donor money.
You start going home. Oh, but then you help me. Don't tell anybody that you saw anything. No.
By the time I change this money, I'll be the richest man in this village.
Bonjour to levu.
Otulevou?
Hey, my bum is becoming bigger.
If you love yourself and you want to prove it to me, you first of all go and buy shaving stick. And shave this your baby and do this your hair that I don't know what it is called well. Stop disturbing me, I will spit on your eye. Why is your teeth sharp like that?
I'm actually getting no soup.
Slap me.
You slapped me! Let's fuck. Hey! Are you out of your mind? Do not bring your smelling self close to me. What's your problem?
I can protect myself. You are here to protect the money. Even if I die, just don't allow anybody carry the money.
Where is the money you collected from my bag? Or do you want me to show you a little bit of madness? The bag that I'm putting on that you want now. Onto which level now?
I don't know, there's no space here. There's only one room that made Mama in.
This is my house now.
Mama, please, I'm in my mother's house. You go to your own mother's house. Mama, please. I've gone there before to price the car. The man say 5.5 million last. I want to go and tell him that he's going to pay 5 million. And I'll bring the money to him after I change the money.
Hey, when I come out, my fellow women will know that I have arrived. That money stops nonsense and money is speaking.
Look at how you were pushing me, as if I was a dog.
I was only a child. I don't have sense that time.
No, look, I will change the money. And when I change it, I will lavish it on you.
Money brings trust. Oh, yeah, because it stops all nonsense.
We have to hide this away that nobody will be suspecting that we are now millionaires. I'm thinking you should tie a rope and hide the top of the mango tree.